Ever seen a classic car for just $1,000 and it actually runs? Today, we're checking out 10 real project cars that still have engines under the hood, some even fire right up. From forgotten Chevys to 1950s Dodges, these are the kind of barnyard survivors that still pop up for crazy low prices. 1. 1977 Chevrolet Nova, $1,400 Gleason TN. Now, this Nova is what I'd call a true project starter pack. The body's fairly clean, the floors and trunk are solid, and it even comes with a Gen 4 5.3 engine from Satterfield Auto, complete with the harness, ECU, alternator, and power steering pump. That's a big deal for just $1,400. It's not running yet, but with the motor already there, this one's halfway to becoming a fun sleeper build. 2. 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Next is a 1960 Chevy Impala that's more of a donor than a driver. It's listed as a hood parts car with no title, but for anyone restoring a 60 Impala, parts like these can be gold. The classic body lines are still there, that wide chrome face and long tail, just waiting for someone to give it a purpose again. 3. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. This 1958 Fairlane has been sitting for 25 years under the same owner. No title, but he'll write up a bill of sale. For $1,500, you're getting that iconic late 50s look. Big chrome, huge fins, and a style that screams Americana. Sure, it's a rough project, but if you're chasing vintage Ford lines, this is a lot of car for the money. 4. 1974 Chevrolet C10 Stepside. Here's a square body fan's entry ticket, a 1974 Chevy C10 short bed stepside. It's got a wood bed, manual floor shift, and that classic truck stance. Rust is there, rockers, floors, and doors need love, but the inline 6 might still be free. At $1,500 cash, it's a solid square body starter for anyone itching to build their first shop truck. 5. 1976 Ford F-250 long bed. And last for this batch, a big old 1976 Ford F-250. It's not running, and the seller isn't sure what's wrong with it, but the body still has character, and it's a one-owner truck. No title, but at $1,500, it's a tempting candidate for parts or even a long-term diesel swap project. Those old Fords always have potential. Sometimes you just have to see past the dust.
Six, 1965 Dodge A100 Sportsman Van. Now this one's something you don't see every day. A mid-60s Dodge A100 Sportsman Van. It's been sitting for over 30 years, and the front floor pan is completely gone, but surprisingly, the rear's still decent. Under the doghouse is a slant 6 that does turn over, a good sign for a van that's been parked for decades. For $1,500, it's a quirky piece of Dodge history that could make an awesome surf van or a wild custom build. Seven, 1977 Chevrolet Nova. Yep, another Nova, but this one's a little different. It's a 4-door version with a straight 6 under the hood. The seller says it was running and driving before getting parked and hit by some hurricane damage. Rust, dents, and no title, but it's a genuine Florida classic that did run not too long ago. At $1,000, it's still a fair shot at reviving a real Chevy survivor. 8. 1979 Honda Civic. Now here's a cool little find. A first-gen Honda Civic. This one's dismantled, but it's all there. Cylinders look good, the head's been reconditioned, and it comes with new bearings and rings. The owner's moving overseas, so it's gotta go. If you're into old-school Japanese metal, this Civic is one of those forgotten gems that could turn into a lightweight daily or even a vintage track toy. 9. 1952 Dodge Coronet Coupe. Here's one that's pure project. A 1952 Dodge Coronet manual with a flathead 6. It's missing the carburetor and not running, but it comes with a blue Texas title, which already puts it ahead of a lot of other project cars at this price point. With that classic 50s design and a little imagination, this could turn into a unique restoration or a great donor for a rat rod build. 10. 1963 Dodge Dart, 2-door post. Non-running slant 6, 3-on-the-tree manual, and plenty of patina. It's missing the hubcaps and comes with a bill of sale only, but this one screams potential drag car. The lightweight body and simple layout make it a perfect base for a weekend strip build or a creative backyard project. And that's the full lineup. 10 vintage rides you can still grab for around $1,000. Some need a full rebuild, others just need someone with vision and a wrench. If you love digging through real-world classics like these, hit that like button and stick around. The next episode's got even more forgotten metal waiting to be rescued.